know I got demons and they come. They finna come for a young little nigga moving up. You know that I be getting on my fucking movie subs. You know that Lucas X, he never been a runner-up. I butter slice, butter cut all of these buttercups. You know that I'm that motherfucker, so just puck it up. You know that I'm that motherfucker, you might runner-up. You fucking sons, nigga, listen. You might like the, I go so insane, I cannot get like me. Ain't no rapper out here can fucking out mic me. Say that shit, nigga, it's on site, please. It's on site, please. Nigga, delete me. Nigga, come show me that you are really that P. Nigga, just show me that you really just that G-O-A-T and you got everything and I'm your baby. You fucking crazy. I body your bag like my name is Shady. You niggas underrate me up on a daily. I'm the most loved and hated. Honestly, I feel like Jesus native, man. Nigga, I feel like Jesus native. Or the little nigga come here to come save you Satans. I don't feel like I ever am relating to the fucking conversation, nigga. How the fuck am I gonna take motherfucking motivation from a nigga at the crib, one man, and you masturbating? I'm getting fucking pussy on a daily, Nigga, I get so much pussy, the pussy pay me, nigga. What the fuck you talking about all this shit like Lucas Raps? He never had a script when he spit. I never have a script when I spit. It's just off the dome. G.O.D. gave me every single fucking flow. What the fuck you know? I got my neck colder than an Eskimo. I go S below. Nigga, I could put the ops below and show them how to get this fucking flows. I am just that bro off the dome.